In the last video, I have discussed 30 questions from the general section. From In the last video, I have discussed 30 questions from the general section video of geochemistry. Here I will be discussing another 25 questions from the geochemistry. This will be part 2, and the next video, part 3, will be for the subsequent questions. Okay, so let's begin. Which of the following statement regarding Solicitor General of India is not correct? The question is not correct. Okay. So yeah, first thing is that it body. This is correct. He assists the Attorney General of India. Yeah, Attorney General of India is assisted by Solicitor General. So this is also correct. He is appointed by Appointment Committee of the Cabinet. This is also correct. The only the okay, so A option is the only wrong option because Article 76. The question is Article 76. Not linking. Yeah. The question is the option is it is constitutional position under Article 76 of the Constitution of India. We know that. Let me. So we know that the Article 76 of the Constitution of India is for Attorney General. Okay, it is not for Solicitor General. It is for Attorney General. So this option is wrong option. Okay, this is incorrect option, or this is the right answer. Okay, so next question number 32. Which one of the following is not a parliamentary standing committee on the financial matter? Actually, this question I am not sure about this question, so I won't be able to give the answer for it. So I will be moving to the next question number 33. Who among the following is the ex officio chairman of civil board? Yeah, the answer is cabinet secretary. The answer is only cabinet secretary. Okay. Question number 34. The National State Commission was established on the basis of recommendation of which one of the following standing committee? The answer is Rangarajan Commission. Okay. Which one of the following, question number 35, which one of the following countries in Asia established the first export processing zone? The answer should be India. India in 1965 was one of the first countries to establish export processing zone. Later on, other countries also, China, South Korea, and Japan, they came up with the export processing zone (EPZ). 36 question number 36. According to Global Climate Risk Index 2020 published by Environment Section think tank German Watch in the year 2018, India's rank in the list of top most climate affected nation is, the answer is fifth. The answer is fifth. Okay. So let's move to the next set of questions. Yeah. Mission Indradhanush. Mission Indradhanush is a scheme pertaining to, it is a scheme pertaining to only immunization of children. Okay, just I let, yeah. So yeah. So Mission Indradhanush is a scheme pertaining to immunization of children. So this is the right answer. Okay, this is the right answer. Question number 38. Which one of the following statement about Finance Commission periodically established by the Government of India is not true? The question is not true. Okay, not true. So it recommends the distribution of the taxes between union and state. Yeah, true. Because it is Financial Commission, it does that. Okay. The next part is next option is it recommends the principal governing grant in aid of revenue of states. This is also true. Which it recommend this is also true. This is also true. It recommend the measure to augment the consolidated fund of state. This is also true. Finance Commission does all the three work. Okay. So the thing that Finance Commission doesn't do is that it does not decide the salary of the government. Okay, it does not recommend the measure regarding the salary of the government employees. So this is not the thing which Finance Commission do, and therefore this is the right answer. Okay, question number D or D part. Sorry, D part is the right answer. Question number 39. Okay, the seventh schedule of Constitution of India deals with it deals with yeah. So it deals with union and state and concurrent lists. Okay, so this is very important part. The seventh schedule of Constitution of India deals with the union, state, and concurrent lists. These are the three different lists which are the most important lists through through which powers are decided. Okay, let's move to question number 40. His Swavalamban scheme of Government of India is directed to provide social safety net to unorganized worker. Okay, so B is the right answer. Okay, question number 41. Which one of the following is the oldest paramilitary force? Okay, the oldest paramilitary force is Assam Rifles. Assam Rifle is one of the one of the old. It is just the oldest actually. It is not the one of the oldest. It is just the oldest part. I think it is around 1850, around 1850 or somewhere around that. Assam Rifle was made. Okay, let's move to 42nd question. The Justice J.S. Verma Committee was constituted in 2012 to propose legal reform regarding safety of which of the following of the Indian society. Okay, uh, yeah, the answer should be women. Okay, the answer is women. It is one of the it became actually very popular. This JS Verma committee. The answer is women. Let's move to the next set of questions. Okay, so yeah, who among for question number 43, who among the following determine as to whether a particular matter falls under residuary power of the parliament or not? Okay, so Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, they are the one which have people from legislative, so it should be the power to determine whether a subject will belong to a particular matter or not. The answer is Supreme Court. Only Supreme Court can decide the particular matter. Okay, the power for the particular matter. Question number 44. Why was Sub-Lieutenant Shivangani was in news? I think she was in news around 2019, 2020, 2019, somewhere around that. And she was popular because she became the first Indian woman. She became the first Indian woman pilot of Indian Navy. Okay, she's both from Indian Navy and also she was the first Indian woman pilot. So this is also the C option is the right answer. Let's move to question number 45. Which of the following is a 5-year plan emphasized the need for establishing socialist pattern for society in India? So this is one of the this socialist pattern for society of India is one of the first initial what do you call it initial 5-year plan. So the answer should be second 5-year plan. Okay, let's move to question number 46. Okay, which of the following article constitute the deal with the uniform civil code? The answer is article number 44. Okay, article number 44. Let's move to question number 47. Next question: who among the following sustainable development for Pura? Okay, providing urban amenities to rural area means housing facilities to everybody, or something like that. Yeah, similar to that only. Urban amenities to rural areas. Okay, so this was envisioned by APJ Abdul Kalam, and I think somewhere around that the answer. Okay. Next question. Which one of the following is about the Gandhian approach to development is not true? Okay, so we have to see Gandhian approach is one of the most asked sort of question. Means it is one of the most asked question in the UPSC base exams. So yeah, let's see the option. And the question is not true. Okay, so let's see what is Gandhian approach. Okay, so yeah, it tells that you should be having voluntary limitations of your want. Okay, if you have a voluntary limitation of your want, you will be able to do work in sustainable way. You won't be wasting the resources. So A option is not the answer, not true. It's asking not true. Development of self-sufficient community. Yeah, if the villages are self-sufficient, they will be able to achieve to a higher growth level. Okay, so even B is also not the right answer for not true. Achieve balance between man and nature. This is also Gandhian. This is also Gandhian approach. Industrialization and participation of private players. Okay, so he wasn't very much fond of the idea of using private player, taking private player and industrialization. Though we haven't followed Gandhian principle much, but yeah, but the right answer is D only because it is asking not true. Okay, the answer should be D. Set of questions. The head count relate to question number 49. The head count relate to the answer. The answer is poverty. Okay. Question number 50. The Ministry of Rural Development consists of which of the following department? Okay. Ministry of Rural Development consists of following department. Okay. So it consists of only Department of Rural Development, with the Development of Rural Development, yeah, Department of Rural Development and Department of Land Resource. Question number 51. Which among the following state is known for forest as a forest bowl, fruit bowl? Sorry, not forest bowl. It is fruit bowl. The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Question number 52. The state of Telangana is drained by two major rivers. What are they? The answer is C. Godavari and Krishna. Question number 53. Which one of the following state in India produce largest marketable share surplus of wheat? Okay. The answer is Punjab. 54. Which one of the following state does not share boundary with Chhattisgarh? Because newly Telangana and Andhra Pradesh got separated, and because Telangana got separated, now it is not able to share the boundary with Chhattisgarh. Okay, the answer is Telangana. This was part two. I'll be again coming for part three. If you find it worthwhile or interesting, please give it a like. And I'll, yeah, thank you.